Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a couple of Sharp by Design Mini Tempest to check them out, check the look, the sound, and the feel of these two bad boys. I've got a couple boxes they come with. They are with this foamy thing going on, and I've got the black PVD handle with gold dark matter inlays, and one has a satin blade, the other one has a damascene steel blade, so pretty much they are, same knife, of course, just obviously like different look and pattern for the inlay, and of course the blade, satin blade, Dama blade. They are exactly the same, so I'm just gonna keep the Dama because it has a slightly better action. I mean, very nice, but the Dama, I don't know, it's just maybe, I don't know, it's just me. So we're gonna check this bad boy out. This fella is, I would say like 7.7 sorry, inches. It has 3.5 inch long blade and 4.2 inch long handle. I'm gonna do a quick size comparison right over here. You get to see like the usual suspect. Here you have large Sebenza 21 and small Sebenza 21. You can see Holt, Bladeworks, Haptic, and Spectre right over here, for example. Here you can see just a couple of Shirogorov knives. The F3B right over here, pretty cool one, and the Neon NL. And I just want to show you another couple of custom knives by Brian Nadeau. Here you have the Mini Typhoon, and here you have the Void XL. So here is a nice picture of this knife maker. He's from US. Brian Nadeau is doing Sharp by Design knives, but he's also doing customs. As you just saw, this is not a custom. This is a production knife made by Riyadh in China. It's gonna cost you around, I think this were like 650, I'm not sure. I know the satin blade was like 475, 450, in that range. But I mean, these are really well-made knives, guys. Amazing look, like, for sure. It's a gorgeous one. This is a front flipper. Very well executed, like, insane. I love it. It's a titanium frame lock. It has this gold matter inlays. Look at this. This is basically like carbon fiber, marble carbon fiber infused with these gold particles, and it looks gorgeous. The inlay is just perfectly done. The scales are like PVD coated titanium with a light stonewash finish. They are beautifully rounded off, nice chamfering going on all around the sides. There is no internal skeletonization, as you can see from this perspective. Basically, these are like kind of like contoured nicely. They're not flat scales, so very, very cool. You got basically a couple of finger grooves, 1 and 2, right over here for a nice comfy grip for sure. You do have no backspacer, no standoff. I mean, it's kind of like integral backspacer, we can call it, because it's just like the scales just coming together at this point, so pretty nice. You have no lanyard option. You do see that the blade is perfectly centered, and you also have that line to help you understand if the blade is centered, and it's really, really good. Safely recessed tip, you're not gonna be able to snag on anything. And I mean, look at these lines, guys. This is like serious, nice drop point, harmonious design on a knife. Really, really cool. I really love the look on this fella. Spanner, which is captive, actually. You use this T8 to take this guy apart, and also you take this guy apart from here. That's one only handle screw. Pretty straightforward assembly. You can also check my maintenance video if you want to know how to take this guy apart. Check this guy here. Stainless steel lock face, insert over travel, lock bar stabilizer integrated, but you also have the inlay right here on the back. You have, of course, like the hardware is just flat with the scale, super flush, not sticking out, very, very well made. You have also a pretty cool, and I mean pretty cool, pocket clip. Tip-up carry only, deep carry, nice. There's a little bit, not too much ramp on the entrance, but it's good. You just pull a little bit. This guy is gonna go in the pocket like nicely. It's a titanium and satin clip. It's kind of like sculpted nicely. Really, really cool work right over here. Guys, of course, clip not reversible because, I mean, obviously. And then you get this drop point blade in a Dama steel, which is gorgeous. It's not like super dense, but it's amazing. Pretty effective and long. Jimping is not too harsh. You have a nice fuller, which works. And then you have this wedge, like starting from halfway around the blade and reaching up the tip, and then of course drop points like 30% belly straight edge up to the sharpening choil. Really, really nice indeed. Well made. I mean, look at this detail over here. It's superbly done. You have a flat grind over here going on, nice plunge grind which intersects here with the fuller. There's no billboarding except for the little Brian Ado BN initials right here on the back, but everything else is pretty nice. The sound is nice. Basically louder when you close it. Oops. But it's, I mean, snappy and clacky. So very, very interesting sound. Let's quickly check the weight on this guy. There's a nice feel in the hand. I know you guys like ounces. I have no idea of the ounces. This is 3.34 ounces, which is some grams. And it's from the ergonomic perspective, it's very good. Guys, I mean, no hot spots. Like, this thing is like boom, boom, done. Grip here, jimping, locked in. Very, very good. I mean, the surface is smooth, is slippery, but still you can hold this and it just feels nice and stable in the hand. You can do reverse grip easily. The handle has enough length to fill my hand nicely. And fit and finish, I was saying, it's pretty spot on. Look at the inlay. I mean, this is like a high magnification that you're seeing, so it's pretty well made. You don't feel it. Here is well made. And again, we are looking high magnification. No blade play, no lock rock. It's well put together. I am telling you, there is no lock stick, no finger soreness. This is a little bit tiny, but you see, they are protruding the stainless steel lock face insert, so you have a little bit more room to touch and get the lock disengaged. So it's very well made. Of course, this guy is running on bearings. That's why the action is like this, and that's why this snappiness is like that. So really, really cool. You can deploy this with the index finger. You can do maybe like that. You see, it's pretty cool. You can do, of course, with the thumb. You can do with the maybe almost maybe like that with the index. You can do as well. So very, very fidgety knife. Great action. You have this guillotine free falling effect when you hold the knife vertically, and it's just like this. Really, really nice. Pretty cool detent. Also, you have there's no detent ball ramp. There's no detent ball here. There's like a ramp. It's like a triangular bump which acts as a detent and as a ramp. So there's no bump and boom, boom. It just snags in place on a hole that is milled into the blade. So really, really clever solution. Great attention to the detail. Fantastic look, lines. He's just exudes quality. And I want a custom of this one. It's very, very good. I love this design. It's amazing. The sound is okay. Ergos are very good, but the look, guys, this is a looker. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this, and like and subscribe. Stay tuned.